This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Hoa Din. Come see this gorgeous brand new pool home in one of the most desirable neighborhoods, located on a corner lot in a gated community, KBAR RANCH. This home features 5 beds, 5 full baths, 3-car garage. You will appreciate the open floor plan and high ceiling. As you open the door, you'll be greeted with a great living room that screams this is home. While you are walking to the living room, that leads into this elegant kitchen with top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, beautiful quartz countertops and a great size island, hardwood cabinet, and lots of storage. To the right of the living room, gives you the spacious master bedroom that has a Cali-style walk-in closet, with ensuite bathroom that includes dual vanity, private toilet, walk-in shower that has rain shower. To the left of the kitchen, you will find the entrance to the garage and a bedroom with its own private bathroom. It also gives you an office right across the amazing dining room area. Not only that the backyard provides a heated and salted water pool, a jacuzzi, it has its very own outdoor bathroom, paver lanai that is enclosed in. As you head upstairs, you will notice a appealing size loft that is next to a huge size bonus game room. Not only that, it even has 2 extra rooms. Upstairs.K-Bar RANCH is a private and peaceful gated community and features plenty of amenities for residents such as tennis courts, a dog park, a resort-style swimming pool. Located minutes to I-75, I-275, Wiregrass Mall, Tampa Premium Outlets, 3 golf courses, Publix, shopping, entertainment, The Grove, restaurants, USF, Moffit, Flatwoods Preserve, hospitals and excellent rated schools. This home will check all the boxes. Schedule a private showing today and be the first through the doors of this incredible home. For more information,